rigs are rolling in to Daytona, and let me tell you, there's some beautiful rigs here. They're doing tire testing this week for the 500. Let's do a drive-by here. Tell me which one you like the best. This is a new Volvo VNL 780. Beautiful Ford Featherlight trailer. This is Chevrolet's Peterbilt. It seems more appropriate for me for, not to discriminate, but for Chevrolet to be having a Peterbilt, American made. This is an absolutely gorgeous trailer. I don't know if you can see the slide room right there. It's not open right now, but it's got a big slide room. Belly boxes on it. Just absolutely beautiful. That's a $500,000 plus rig right there. This one here is Goodyear's Freightliner. 53-foot Featherlight. Just look at the quality of this Featherlight trailer. Just absolutely stunning. Now, if this one don't get your blood flowing, you're not a truck guy. This is probably the nicest looking rig here, in my opinion. It's an old school Peterbilt. Just beautiful. The big sleeper on the back, stacks. Beautiful Champion trailer. Look at that thing. All stainless steel and polished, top shelf. Super single wheels. Just beautiful. Here's another NASCAR Peterbilt with a Toyota Tundra track drying team on the back. Stick with me because I saved the best for last. Coming up, the Penske rig. It's all stainless steel and just absolutely out of this world. We'll roll by these, take one more look at this side, then we'll go check out the Penske rig. Champion tire and wheel. Beautiful rig. Goodyear Racing, official tire of NASCAR. That's enough reason to buy Goodyear's. Chevrolet Racing rig. Slide rooms on it, just beautiful. Ford Performance rig. Well, you see the Penske rig over here. It is something else. Penske rig right here. This has got to be my favorite trailer right here. The whole side of this thing is stainless steel. Look at this thing. It is absolutely, that's surgical grade stainless steel. That stuff is expensive. I think it's like $800 a sheet. I know it ain't cheap. That's $750,000 trailer probably. Joey Logano's rig. Toyota Joe Gibbs Racing. Just beautiful. Look at this Peterbilt. Black, badass Peterbilt. What a stunner. 2 Featherlights hauling these. Beautiful trailers. I guess they're running the next generation cars. The first race will be here at Daytona for the 500. And that's something I'd love to see for sure. I've watched it on TV many times, but never in person. Look at this rig. Just unbelievable. Featherlight. Super nice. Just beautiful. Even the frame on the truck's beautifully painted and polished. The driver who delivered this truck here got driven over to the airport, according to the guy I was talking to, and picked up on a private jet and flown out of here. These guys got some deep pockets, make no mistake. Private jets and rigs like this. He told me that Daytona doesn't even allow them to bring the rigs in until they're washed. So it looks clean to me, but they're gonna detail the crap out of it before it goes in there. So they're gonna be running the new trucks here. The new cars. I think Tuesday is a test day, and it's open to the public. So we might come back and do some filming here. Let me know if that's something you guys are interested in seeing. I know we're a bike channel, but gotta love NASCAR. What a beautiful Freightliner. Look at that thing. This is the entrance right here, gate 40. This This is where all the big rigs come in, and if you're camping on the infield, this is where you get in. You go through the tunnel at gate 40. It's pretty cool. Big black. Getting dark out. Everybody's pulling out of here from the ARMA Moto Fest in 2022. It was an excellent event, big success. A lot of people turned out. Lots of good racing. We'll be back here for Daytona Bike Week, which is the first week in March. If you get a chance to go, go. Tomorrow's not guaranteed, you never know. With all the COVID, health issues, and just getting old, you never know when your number's up. So if you get a chance to go to an event like this, take it. Make it happen. Whatever you got to do, it'll be worth it. When you're on your deathbed, you won't look back and say, geez, I wish I stayed home and worked a little more. You'll be these memories of special events like Daytona, Laconia, Sturgis, Americade, all the big events. You'll look back, and that's what makes life worthwhile. Someday you might wake up and say, my dad used to say, you should always reward yourself for working hard. But someday you might wake up and say, why am I doing this? Why am I working so hard? So every once in a while, or as often as you can. And if you're in your late 50s or 60s like I am, I'm 56, man, who knows how long you're gonna live? And who knows how long you'll be healthy enough to do fun stuff like this. So don't take your health for granted. Don't take your opportunities for granted. If you have the opportunity, go to the Daytona 500. Go to the Daytona Supercross. Fly out to Anaheim 1 next year if you didn't make it this year. Treat yourself right. No one's gonna do it for you. You gotta pull yourself up by your own bootstraps and make your own opportunities. I say go for it. Everybody's pulling out of here, so we're allowed to stay until tomorrow noon. Then we got to pull out of here, so we'll be on to the next adventure. Palm trees. You know you're in Daytona. These are the pits over here on your left, where we were filming earlier today. And this is where our campground is set up right here. We're fortunate with ARMA to be able to camp where the factory teams, all the factory riders and their big rigs park in here. And we got treated to the best sites in Daytona thanks to ARMA. Our friend Gator hooked us up. That's a Manic Mechanics rig right there. Big fifth wheel, he's living in that down here this winter. We'll be back right after Bike Week to start building bikes and doing more kick-ass builds and videos, so stay tuned. That's Gator's rig right there. He's the track boss. What's up, Gator? Definitely a blessing to be here.
Let's do a video, entitle it "The Manic Mechanic Drunk on His 250." I'll stand on a seat and do some wheelies or something.
I think everybody would like to see that. That'll probably get more views than any other video we did while we're here. Let's show them what you got over here. This is a Manic Mechanics hot rod. Probably, I've had some people say this is the best two-stroke 250 ever made, 06 to 08.
Yeah.
The Suzuki, and he's got this thing running like a charm. So
this thing made 44 horsepower on the dyno.
yeah,
when we did it.
that's the same as the 450s used to make in 2010. Now the 450s are putting down 52, but that's a kick-ass machine. What's up, Jackie? Let's see what Honey's got cooking here. What do you got in here, babe? Nice. Little barbecue hamburgers. Got some hamburgers. You making some burgers, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
And veggies.
You got
And
every
you'll get
veggie.
your leftover steak.
How about that? Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour of Daytona and the big rigs. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.